Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of unreliable power strips that can't even protect your devices from surges? Let me introduce you to the wall charger by Gadget, a game changer in the world of power strips. This top-rated and best-selling product has been a favorite among many customers, and for good reason. With its reliable surge protector circuit, you can rest assured that your devices are safe from power spikes and surges. You'll know your devices are protected when the protected indicator light turns on, giving you peace of mind. The wall charger provides 1680 joules of surge protection, which is impressive, and it feels sturdy and well-built in your hands. When you plug in your devices, you'll hear a satisfying click, and the power strip itself has a smooth texture that's easy to wipe clean. The result is that your devices are not only protected but also charged quickly and efficiently. In real-life use cases, this product shines. For example, if you have a home office with multiple devices, the wall charger is perfect for keeping them all powered up and protected. It's also great for travel, as it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to throw into your bag. What sets it apart from others is the excellent after-sales service, with friendly and reliable customer support that responds within 24 hours, and a 30-day return and 12-month warranty that gives you confidence in your purchase. The wall charger by Gadget is a well-reviewed and popular product that's definitely worth considering. With its reliable surge protection, sturdy build, and excellent customer service, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality power strip. So why settle for a cheap, unreliable power strip when you can have a top-notch one that will keep your devices safe and charged? Give the wall charger a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.